So all you're gonna do, this hole right here, a little bit of urine. This hole right there, a little bit of urine. Give this stuff a good shake. Right here, a little bit of fox slur right there. Alright guys, here's MB650 set. You can see it's got inside and outside lamination. And right here is some scat. So we're gonna do a little flat set here, and then I'm just gonna take my driver and put a couple holes on each side of the trap and just throw a little bit of urine and gland lure in there. And we're gonna set it here next to where this scat is, just for some more eye appeal. So basically I'm gonna want to try and blend this one back in good. Like you know what I'm saying, you don't want any eye appeal as far as like you did with the dirt hole where we threw it out. So we're going to try and be a little neater. So I'm going to start getting some of this back. And someone take off just this top layer and get rid of it. Just somewhere big enough for a trap to sit. See, you're gonna set just like that. Then we're gonna dig trap bed. But we're gonna take care, try to be a little neater. We're gonna take all this dirt that we're gonna be reusing, put in our sifter. Yeah, that's gonna be good. All right, so you see there, go up to that first swivel. And one thing I do like about these MB traps, number one, they're dogless. I do like a dogless trap, some people don't. Number two, with these wire levers right here, instead of the full metal ones, it makes this bed in this trap a breeze. This is probably the easiest bed and trap that I've ever used. Does not take much to get them solid. As you can see, needs just a little bit of work right here. All right, so it's good there. I'm gonna get a little bit of our peat moss. Put inside the jaws there. Take our dirt. Sit back over it there. Alright, so there you can kind of see. And then all this stuff that was on here before that we moved, we're going to crush it up so it's nothing that is going to prevent the trap from firing. Or, excuse me, that prevents trap jaws from closing, which on these 650s, you probably ain't going to get much to stop them trap jaws anyways. Oh. Clean out right here where my pan is. Alright, and as you can see, you can hardly tell that we've been there. And so all this top of the grass that we took here out of there, gonna alright, you see there? Don't even know that trap's there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come right here on this side of the trap where this scat is, and just the tip of the driver end and a little itty bitty hole. Just put some gland lure. Then I'm gonna come on this side because we're gonna work both sides from this. That way, don't matter which way the wind's blowing. Just like that, little itty bitty hole and some gland lure, if I could talk. All right, so we'll get that. Then this set will be a wrap. Right here, we'll use Red Fox for this one, Red Fox Matrix. We use some Hot Shot Bobcat from Dunlap's and some Dunlap's Red Fox Matrix. Put it right here. So all you're gonna do, this hole right here, a little bit of urine. This hole right there, a little bit of urine. Give this stuff a good shake. Right here, a little bit of fox lure right there. Same thing right over here. All right. Now it's a finished set right there, finished flat set. Let's see, we'll get this up. Take this where my knee pad was, brush it back in, and send back that. If you're just walking through there, you'd never know there was a trap there. That's flat set.